Hi guys, Rita here. Just wanted to, was looking at my nail and I said, whoa, that's a perfect example of what the cuticle is. See it? It's on the nail. It's laying there. I have my nippers to remove it. And this is what you want to look for, guys, when you are doing your nail prep. The cuticle lays on the skin. It's not the skin. It's not this area around here, the eponychium. It's right there and it's visible, and you can just go ahead and get your nippers. This is what these nippers are for, to go ahead and get that off of the nail plate. Simple as that. And I looked at my nails because I'm about to do them, and I said, oh, this is a perfect example of showing what the true cuticle is. And I'm just nipping it off and it will come off of the nail. It's right there, very visible. I'll get what I can off with the nippers. Then you can take your cuticle remover and get the rest off, or proceed with your natural nail bit or your medium or fine sanding band to get it off. Because if you don't get it off, that's where your lifting is going to come from. Alright guys, just wanted to share a quick tip with you and give you an example. If I were doing this nail, I would definitely, I would clean it off way more to where it looked like the rest of my nails. Nothing visible on that nail plate. Right? Alright guys, take care.